Do you want to know how you can log in to your Elsa Speak account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Elsa Speak account. Go ahead and open Elsa Speak after you install it. Now you can see the login option on the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Go ahead and write down the email address which is registered with Elsa Speak. Write down your password and then click login. After a while, you will be logged in to your Elsa Speak account. You must note that you must have already created a Elsa Speak account for you to log in. So it's quite simple. Let me show it to you once again. Let's log out from the account. Click on login. Write down your email address, write down your password and click login. This way you can log into your Elsa Speak account easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your Elsa Speak account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.